I'm Michaela, and I will show you how to embed your AgentForce agent into an Experience Cloud site page. By the end of this video, your users will see a friendly chat button on the page, and they can interact with your AI agent directly. Before adding the agent to a page, make sure that you have done the following. First, your agent is active. We have covered this topic in our previous videos, so feel free to check them out. Then you should also have set up a messaging channel. I will quickly show you how it looks like in setup now, and I will explain more details in the next video. So you can see that in this org there was a default messaging channel already set up. So the only thing I need to do is to activate it. And if there is no channel in your org, you need to create a new one pressing this button. But we will talk about that in the next video. And then the next requirement is to have an Experience Cloud site created. That's quite clear. And then you should also have the required permissions. Salesforce uses a special user of a named Einstein service agent to run the agent in the background. So ensure this user has the required permissions set, like service agent permissions assigned. And with all of these in place, you are ready to add the agent to a page. Access our Experience Cloud and click Builder next to the site name. This opens the Experience Builder for your site. Salesforce provides a ready-made component for chat called Embedded Service Messaging, which we'll use to deploy our AgentForce agent chat. In the Builder, find the Components panel, scroll through to find Embedded Messaging. So it's right here. Just scroll a bit down so that we can add it to the footer. It usually renders as a chat button in the bottom corner. So you can see that we already have it here. So once we have the bubble, once the bubble is on the page, we can also customize it. Just select the embedded messaging and you can see more settings related to it. So you can choose the embedded web deployment and the site endpoint, the URL, and also you can set the button visibility. You can change the margin or the padding of this area, which is probably not necessary. And you can also assign it a CSS class. So once you set up everything, you just publish the site, clicking this button, and once it's published, you will receive the confirmation email and you can double check whether everything works well. So that's everything from my side. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach us. We'll be happy to answer your comments. And also, if you like the video, please give it a like.